Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, you are going to use your grammar book first. Your grammar book, okay. Please don't forget to write the day and the date, which is the day is Monday and then the date is 21st June 2021. Okay, for the topic for today is conjunction. Conjunction in Malay we call them kata hubung. For example, the conjunction in English and but. So for today we are going to focus on these two, which is and but. Okay, kata hubung. If in BM we call them kata hubung. Macam contoh kata hubung dalam bahasa Melayu adalah dan, tetapi, kerana. Okay, so this is the kata hubung conjunction for English. Okay, so first we will look at and. And what is the meaning of and? And mean is done. Okay, done. So we use and to talk about the similar ideas. Kita cakap untuk kita sambungkan idea yang sama, benda yang sama. Okay, I will give you some example. Okay, first example, Farid and Ahmad. Okay, Farid and Ahmad, how are they similar? Kat mana yang samanya? Okay, kenapa kita pakai and? Because we are talking about two person, dua orang. Okay, person type, jenis apa yang kita cakap? Jenis orang. Farid and Ahmad. Okay, dia adalah two similar idea. Apa yang similarnya? Diorang ni adalah dua-dua adalah per person. Okay, next kita tengok the example. Okay, Alia likes to eat donut and pizza. Kenapa kita pakai and? Because donut and pizza are food. Okay, next is Karen loves swimming and dancing. Kenapa kita pakai and? Why do we use and? Because swimming and dancing are activities. Okay, alright, so simple kan, senang. Alright, so kita move pula kepada but. Okay, but the meaning in Malay is tetapi. Alright, tetapi we use but to talk about different or contrasting ideas. Kita nak cakap pasal benda yang berbeza ataupun idea yang kontras, yang tak sama. Okay, so for example, Amy went to the KFC but she did not eat. Okay, why do we use but? Because KFC and eat, did not eat tu contrasting idea. Sebab apa? Biasanya when we go to KFC we eat, right? Bila kita pergi dekat KFC, kita akan makan. Okay, so kita dah set the idea in our mind is that if we go to the KFC we will eat. But in this case, Amy went to the KFC but she did not eat. So maksudnya orang tu dia pergi KFC tapi dia tak makan. Nampak ada tapi dia tak makan. Alright, next is we went to the beach but we didn't swim. Okay, the contrasting ideas is, the different ideas is, okay, we go to the beach but we didn't swim. Usually kalau kita pergi beach, kita akan kalau kita cakap kita pergi pantai lah, kita pergi pantai, usually what comes to our mind is we swim. So this is the idea of saying the contrasting idea lah. Beach, kita pergi beach, kita akan swim. Tapi bila contrast ni dia akan jadi kita pergi beach but we didn't swim. Okay, so itulah kegunaan but. Alright, so one more example. My father stayed at France for 2 years but he cannot speak French. Okay, kita faham bila when we stay at other country for more than 1 years, okay, we tend to learn how to speak the language over there. Bila kita duduk kat satu negara tu, kita akan cuba belajar bahasa negara tu. But tapi okay, ada juga yang duduk tapi dia tak belajar pun. Alright, so we use but in this sentence to show, okay, to show where French usually connected, where France is usually connected to French. Perancis biasanya dikaitkan dengan bahasa French. Okay, bahasa Perancis. Bila kita pergi Perancis, kita akan belajar sikit-sikit lah bahasa sana. Tapi ini dia pergi, dia tak belajar langsung. But tapi dia tak belajar langsung. So Okay, I hope you can understand lah the use between and but. Okay, how and we use them to combine two similar idea, while but kita nak combine two different idea yang contrast. Okay, alright, so this is your homework. Okay, please do Mesra Digital page 27 part B, page 27 yang bawah ni sahaja. Alright, I think that's all. Bye.